In this video, we're going to introduce you to YouTube, which is a plugin for WordPress that allows you to manage how you embed YouTube videos. Here on my screen now, you can see I'm in the post editor. I've made a post called YouTube test, and I've just pasted in a YouTube link. And if we just open up that post now, you'll note that the YouTube video actually automatically embeds right there. That's the default WordPress behavior, and the plugin works more or less exactly the same way. So we can just go here and then hit activate, and then jump back to the post editor, hit update to refresh the page, and then you'll notice YouTube freeze over there in the left-hand menu. And you also get this YouTube button here. So with the plugin, you can still just do the same insertion method. You can just put that YouTube link on a line by itself in your post or your page or so on. But also you get this YouTube button, and then it opens up this little context menu where there are a few pro features that you can use, obviously, if you have the pro version. But then you can also go to the settings from here. You can also search for a video or a channel or something like that. And then you can also read web discussions about the video before embedding it. And how useful those are is reasonably debatable. It may be useful for you, but ideally, if you're inserting a YouTube video into a post, you're probably going to know what it is. Really makes us wonder what is the real benefit to this plugin, and we'll show you now. So we'll just hit that button again, and we'll go through to the settings, because that's really what makes this plugin good, is that you have a bit more control over how those videos are shown. So you can see here there's a big amount of options. So you can choose to autoplay videos, center them. If you have a very wide content area, it may be useful. Otherwise, it might look a little bit off to one side or the other. You turn on captions by default. Do you want the videos to loop? Do you want to hide the YouTube logo from the control bar, and so on? There's a big range of options there, and if you want to use this plugin, we suggest that you go through and check them out. But for most people, the defaults will be fine, which is most often the case with plugins. And then you've just got a few more options below that regarding the Pro edition of the plugin. So really, in terms of using it, you don't really need to do anything different to how you would normally insert a YouTube video into WordPress. It just is that it gives you these options that you can set as defaults. So we recommend this plugin if you get use out of, say, autoplay, centering, how you want it to look and appear, and so on. Otherwise, not using it is just fine, and you probably won't notice too great of a difference. But if you have any questions about this, or how to use it, or how to get the most out of it, please feel free to ask in the comments below.